In today's video, we will be recreating Tom Hardy's bracelet setup from the upcoming movie, Venom. Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. Got another tutorial for you today. So, Tom Hardy, as we all know, is a paracord enthusiast, and he wears paracord bracelets in his previous movies like Mad Max. And of course, now there's a picture online of him with some paracord bracelets on for his new movie coming out in September, Venom. As Eddie Brock, he is wearing a bracelet setup that includes paracord. So we are going to recreate that today, and I think it's going to be super fun. As always, a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive videos and the monthly giveaway, feel free to check out the links in the video and as well as down below. Alright, so that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so for the main bracelet, it is a Cobra knot bracelet clearly, and because Tom Hardy's wearing it, I think it's safe to assume it's done Mad Max style. So I've got some of my camo cord here. The only cord I happen to have was the Titan survival cord, so we're using that today. And he is using two different types of camo. It seems like they're not exactly the same. These are the two different ones I'm using, so similar pattern, slight variation. Now, because I've already done Mad Max on this channel before, let's just do a quick condensed version of that. Alright, we got that Mad Max bracelet done real quick through the magic of editing. So that's one down. He has a second piece. Let's put this aside. Then from here, we're going to take this long end. We're going to pass it through that loop. And then you can pull that loop almost all the way close. Don't pull it too tight because we need to make it adjustable. So as long as there's a little bit of tension there. Now this is where you determine your length of your circumference of your bracelet. And then on this side, we're going to tie another scaffold knot. Let's go once around, twice around, like so. And then again, I got that crossover there, that X. Pass it underneath. And then cinch that up. Okay. And there is our second bracelet. So you see it's the same as we did the other one. We had a thimble here before. We did it without the thimble this time. So super simple on that one. So just snip the excess And that is our second piece. Okay, so both paracord bracelets are done, and now it's just a matter of putting them on in the right order. So it looks like first he has this one on, the slim adjustable. So got that one on. Next I will put on the Mad Max Cobra knot. This one's a bit harder to get on because the Titan Survivor cord's pretty stiff. Let's just tuck that knot underneath as well, get it out of the way. Alright, so that's 2 there. And lastly, the beaded bracelet. So in the picture, it does look like he has a wooden beaded bracelet with some sort of string closure if you look really closely at it. I don't have get any wooden beads. I want to do a tutorial on a wooden beaded bracelet. Let me know if comments down below if you'd like to see that. But what I do have is just this simple stone beaded bracelet, and that's got an elastic, thing. So there we go. We are done. That is recreating Tom Hardy's bracelets from the new movie Venom coming out later this year. And yeah, I think we're pretty close. The colors may be a little off though, and of course we didn't do the wooden beads, but I'm going to do that later on. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. There it is, Tom Hardy's bracelet setup from Venom. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you're not subscribed already, you want to see more content like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.